Head straight. Oh my god, what is this? Like school? Okay. Alright. Alright, you done? Good. Anyway, look at. Hi, everybody. Just a preview. Okay? God damn it. Just a preview. Are you in jail? No, I'm in your fucking living room, you douchebag. Am I in jail? Yeah. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. But I didn't do anything wrong, so I'm just here visiting. I'm life coaching the inmates. Yes, I've been asked to counsel them. So think of me as a life coach and a lawyer. Yeah, it's been really great, and I can't see. Hey, Mr. Correctional Officer Facilitator, can I have my glasses? My glasses over there. I can't see with this exclusive live preview I'm doing. Oh, jeez. It's not like I'm gonna chisel my way out of your county jail. Please. Anyway, Crush told me that. Why do I have to wear these? Good question. I don't know, but they're kinky. Yeah, they're kinky. I like them. Ooh, hurt me. Ooh, little bit hurt me. Ooh, those hurt my wrists. Ooh, a little tighter. Anyway, I guess you're going to ask me the questions and I'm going to try to answer as best as I can. I've had 3 days to think of my excuses, right? And everyone is welcome, but not the garbage people. You invited the garbage people? Really, Crush? Really? Great. How am I gonna, with these on? I can't get rid of people. God, I have no control over my life right now. I have no control over my life right now. Help. Are you sorry? Hell no, I'm not sorry. For what? For what? Fuck you. Yeah, you're sorry. You wish. Got the key? Got the key? I'm locked in. Anyway. Alright, whatever. Yeah? When did you get out of jail? You're still in jail? How is it you're talking to me here? You got a burner phone in the toilet? Wow. Do you have any commissary? Yeah. Send it my way. Molly Golightly. Look at... This is my number. Right here. Remember that. My commissary, okay? Preferably cash. I don't know how long I'll be in here. Yeah, I like how all my prescribers really support me and bonded me out. Not. I'll see you later. Alright. Oh yeah, the haters are coming? It's gonna be a fucking flying fucking night. That's gonna be. Yeah, Mommy. Yeah, why do you do this? Why do you do that? It's not my fault. It's Tiffany's, and I'm not gonna mention her name either. So you can all just take a flying fuck. It's not my fault. Alright. See you at 10. Get the key. Can you take these off of me, for Christ's sake? They're killing me.